Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be sharing some helpful tips for all you Instagram users out there. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips will help you make the most out of your Instagram experience. Tip number 1, use hashtags strategically. Hashtags are a great way to increase your reach and connect with new followers. Make sure to use relevant hashtags that are popular in your niche, but don't overdo it. Aim for 5 to 10 hashtags per post for the best results. Tip number 2, engage with your followers. Respond to comments, like and comment on other people's posts, and participate in Instagram challenges and trends. Building a strong community on Instagram will not only help you grow your following, but also make the platform more enjoyable for you. Tip number 3, post consistently. Consistency is key on Instagram. Try to post at least once a day to keep your followers engaged and interested in your content. Use Instagram's scheduling feature to plan out your posts ahead of time and stay on track. Tip number 4, use Instagram stories and reels. These features are a great way to share more casual, behind-the-scenes content with your followers. Get creative with stickers, filters, and music to make your stories and reels stand out. Tip number 5, analyze your insights. Instagram provides valuable insights into your audience and how they interact with your content. Use this data to track your progress, identify trends, and make informed decisions about your future content strategy. And there you have it, our top tips for Instagram users. We hope you found these tips helpful and can't wait to see how you implement them into your own Instagram strategy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.